guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Unice and they are available on Amazon Prime. If you guys check the info section below, I will have all the details and links provided there. Here's everything that I received with my wig, and now let's go ahead and get into it. The wig that I have is their silky straight 13 by 4 inch lace frontal wig. My wig is 18 inches long, 150% density, and you guys do notice that the knots are lightly bleached, as well as this wig is pre-plucked. It does have that removable adjustable strap. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on just to sort of assess it to see if there's any work that needs to be done. Now, firstly, I did notice that the hairline is pre-plucked. It doesn't need any work at all, so I will not be doing anything. Also, these knots are single knotted, so they are like nearly non-existent. So I'm not going to bleach the knots or anything like that. Not to mention this wig does have lightly bleached knots, so if you're a beginner, no need to do anything with that. However, I will be flat ironing this hair and putting this hair in a middle part. I really was looking for something that mimics my hair when I get a silk press, and whenever I get a silk press, it's bone straight. I get no curls, no nothing. It's bone straight, middle part. I get it dyed black. I just love that sleek look. It's just, it does something for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this hair. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on, and you guys do notice that removable adjustable strap, making this wig 100% glueless. However, I will be temporarily adhering this wig down using my Melt Me Down spray, and this is kind of like the equivalent of Got to Be Glued. It's not going to stay for days. This usually lasts for just a couple hours, but I'm going to go ahead and get this wig melted. And you guys do notice that I did pull out a little bit of baby hairs. I do plan on doing a few little swoops just to kind of take away some of the appearance of my huge forehead, but you guys do not have to do this. This hairline looks super natural. I was highly impressed. I'm really liking the way how these Amazon wigs are beginning to look. They're definitely stepping up their game, and I like that. I didn't have to do no work with this. I didn't even wash the hair, girl. I literally just threw this wig on, flat ironed it a little bit, create my little middle part, and it was good to go. But I'm going to go ahead and finish getting this wig styled up, and I will see you guys once I'm done. So this is what this wig is looking like. It is definitely giving looks. The only con that I had with this wig was that it was a little bit on the thinner side. I did notice towards the top of the wig that the tracks were kind of peeking through just a little bit. So my recommendation will be to use like a holding spray and spray towards the roots of the wig and just kind of tease it just a bit. Don't use a hot comb too much because it's going to make it super flat and those tracks are going to show through. But other than that, the wig was super soft. I didn't notice any shedding. This is where this wig hits on me. It's an 18-inch and it kind of was looking a little shorter than usual. However, I do have a super duper long torso, a long neck, so it's going to look shorter on me than anyone else. But for the most part, this wig is definitely looking really good. Be very careful with the lace because it did come off a little lighter on me. So if you're my complexion or darker, definitely go in with a darker foundation in order to tone down the color of the lace. But yes, this wig is super nice. I love the natural sheen. It's super soft, super flowy. It reminds me of when my hair is silk pressed, and I'm here for it. So once again, you guys check out Unice. They are on Amazon. The information will be left below. Also use their discount code, which is Unice Wigs, to save some cash. This wig is currently $128, and I do believe that they have a 6% off discount on Amazon, so do take advantage of that. Let me know what you guys thinking about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.